Hey guys, it's Crawford here, and we are back with a new video. And today is the official reopening of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad here at the Magic Kingdom. For over a year, Big Thunder's been closed for a multi-year overhaul, replacing all the old track and the old ride vehicles with new track, as well as new ride vehicles, as well as updated scenery and a new storyline. And right now, you can see we are at the front entrance. You can see the line here. It stretches all the way back there to the wall, and it goes all the way around here until you get up to the entrance. So you can see here, people. So right now it's gonna be a while to get up to the entrance. So we're gonna be doing some short videos here and there until we can get all the way up to the ride, and we can experience the changes that they made. So as we zigzag around the area, we can see what they changed and updated, and of course fix old effects.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Great way to celebrate. It isn't because the lighting rates are not there. I mean, you can keep getting on later, but if they're late, right, not a time to do it. You have to do something like you can. If you don't like, I want to go back and go faster. I agree. Not agree. Everyone else is the same. That's what I was going to say. Everyone else is the same.
As we climb up, you see here before the ride reopened, they had put construction walls around the exit, so you won't do the construction of villains in Cars Land. Get up closer, you can see better. Alright, let's see what we got here. There's like some they brought. Oh, look at that! They have cactuses. Oh, some plants you'll find in the Old West. And you also see some old machinery just rotting away, and you see that one's got lots of holes in it. That one looks like it's gonna fall apart soon. There's a barrel there, and some mechanics there, and an upside down minecart. As we're close, we can see more cactuses and some little mosquitoes already made away. There's more barrels. And there's we got the waterfall here. Got a little water stream goes down the building right there and through here and into a little lake here. You can see the water where it leads to a little lake here. Once we get up more, we can see the work going on over at Cars Land. And it looks like here the first building for Cars is starting to take shape. It looks like they're going along well with this new building. And it's like now you can see that it looks like they're expanding it around the former river. And you can still see the almost the shape of what used to be Tom Sawyer's Island. All right, what else we got? We got some more mining equipment. Got a horse wheel. One of those one of those horse carts. You can see those two stacks that I thought was gonna show smoke, but I guess the effect's turned off for now, at least. It could be back online. It could be back online before. Could be back online soon. You do get a good view of the construction going on here. We got an old machinery here. It's kind of covering up the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad sign. Like I said, the track's been closed for years, so this gave Imagineering plenty of time to do to retouch on some retouch inside and outside the building. Restore some old effects that haven't been seen in a long time. Don't know if the boulder effect is coming back. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, and we're right above where the water goes down. And it looks like as we get up more and more, we get a better view of cars, and it looks like, if you can see down there, looks like they're pouring more concrete for the next foundation. You can see the whole land from here. Now, look at all that. You see tianas there. So, again, for the first time in a year, this side of the park has 2 operating attractions in this section.
This is straight open today.
Now, like I said, there we go. As I mentioned, they redid the storyline. So it was about a man. I forgot what his name was, but he finds gold up. He finds gold here. He finds gold here up in the mountains. And as the runaway train goes through the mountain to collect it, according to Walt Disney World and Imagineering, as you go up the third lift hill, you can see the gold shine at the very top. You can see a bigger spot of gold on the very top of the lift hill. As well, they also said that they added hundreds of bats in the very first lift hill when you depart the station. Which makes spaghetti, and they also touch up the rainbow cavern as well, so you may see a more colorful look to it. But as we get the rest of you see a train. You can see one of the ride vehicles just sitting over there. Looks like we see a part of a machinery over there. It's like a spring. It's one of those. I always forget what those called. If you guys know what it is, leave a comment down below. And we can see another one of those parts behind it. And there's a sign here just reading, "No drinking, fighting, or whistling. No kidding. Proceed with caution. Big Thunder Mountain Company. Big Thunder Mountain Company."
Hi partners, and welcome to Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. While waiting in line, we ask that you please keep up with the parties in front of you at all times. This will lessen your wait time down to its absolute minimum. Once down in the line, be ready to tell your voting cast member the number in your party. Have a magical day here at Magic Kingdom Park, and thank you for visiting Big Thunder Mountain Railroad.
They haven't said now.
It looks like here we got a better look, a more full look at the structure work. I haven't been on this ride in over a year, and I'm glad I got a chance to come head back to ride again. themed now since it's an old since it's supposed to be themed around an old abandoned mining railroad. You can see the pipes look rotten a little. You see there's a dust, and you can see bits of, if you look closely, you can see bits of dust in them. Really, it's really cool, I say. Slowly down there is the entrance. Paymaster, alright. Drop tag at end of shift. Alright, so you drop here and it goes in here. Yeah. Down there is the entrance to the ride. Oh, there goes a ride vehicle. Oh, you can see the new man in charge of the Big Thunder. That's a new one. And you can see here some more artifacts here. That paint of the mountain. Looks like here they touched up this section. Look at that. See how sensitive this is? See what we got here? I think these are gold coins, or they look like they have some name on them. Yeah, they have numbers on them. I think these are tags. Yeah, these are number tags. Things for a key, like for like a room, and you attach it for your key. Looks like there's a picture on the wall. Looks like they got some criminals. TW Billions Silver Mine. No. Be on the lookout for these two claiming to be yeah, messy criminals. We have a furnace here, a drawer full of shotguns, and gold. I want me some of that gold. We got gold. We have the golden blocks and big gold rocks. They look like they just mine these and put them on display, and they're eventually going to be turned into gold bars. There's the Big Thunder. There's the Big Thunder Mining Company. Yeah, what's this here? Big Thunder Mining Company. door here. Oh, yeah, I think it's a fake one. Yeah, it's locked. See a drawer full of pots. And it looks like a couple of books. Yeah, it looks like a couple of books and pots here.
Hi there, friends, and welcome to Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. We ask while waiting in line to please keep up with the guests in front of you at all times. This will greatly reduce your wait time.
This door is yeah, it's a fake. Yeah, this door's fake too. Doesn't open up. Yeah, this door doesn't open up.
Thank you for coming to Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, and let's enjoy the rest of your day at Magic Kingdom Park.
So we see the guns better. We got the signs here. And it looks like here it's a schedule for the mine train. See, yeah, I guess I'm right on the other side. We got blueprints for the trains and the buildings here. It's writing. You can see parts of the track there. Yeah. So we got more posters here. Still have the water stations, like it. Looks like they restored. Yeah, looks like they restored the old TNT playlist and the fusion cage. It's a cage and it's got stuff inside of it. I see some TNT in there, and I'm getting ready. Yeah, this is the storage. Yeah, it's an office. Oh, there goes the train. We got lots of crates. We got all the crates here. Look at that. There they go. So it's a lot of crates. Got the TNT up there. Hope no one lights them off and blows this place up. Got the fans. And I got some instructions here to show how to work them. You have to get this up to its maximum, and then pull this lever down, and it should blow it up. So they got some here. So you just here, and then you just boom. Let's try this one. Nice. And it sets off those craters there. So I think you just turn this up to its maximum pressure and then kaboom! We'll give this one more shot. Fire in the hole! Okay, let's see the train go on. There we go. Oh, if you look in there to see miners. Yeah, some miners in these lookout key spots. You can see more of the villain's land. And all of that there is gonna be the villain's land. It looks like they're still clearing out some rubble. Oh, it looks like there's some pipe. It looks like they got some pipes down there. service. More brick walls here. Old oiled lamps. So I got some drawings here of townsfolk and buffaloes. Sorry, right there. And this is the whole blueprint of the mountain itself. Gold gets over here. Miners mine all these out, and it goes to these mine cars, and they get collected and they get transported and they get transported to local banks, and they take the gold to the banks. Saving up bills. It's kind of nice to see all these all the stuff we saw last year have been refreshed and repainted. This one looks like it's been repainted.
We kindly ask that you move all the way forward to the available space and keep it up at
Look at that. There's a better view of the construction work. Oh, it looks like over there there's a bulldozer demolishing bits of what's left of the old dock. Or they're digging. We got some bags here. It could be black powder. So let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, it's a bird. It's a little bird. So that, yeah, look at that. Some valves. Got a valve there. Seeds makes fire. Seeds makes fire. Huh. Wonder what could be in there's some tools. There's some tools in there. But actually, no, they are. The little bird cages. These little beauties. Turn the other way. Come on, pretty bird. You're a pretty bird. You're a pretty bird. Alright, he doesn't want to come out. Let's see if he wants to come out. Nope. I don't know, would he like to come out? Come on, you pretty bird. Come on. Gotta turn that to open it up. Come here. Come on, little one. Guess he's shy. Yeah, the sandbags here, you can see what they say. Cheap, cheap, cheap. Oh, it's bird seed. It's all bird seed. You can see the equipment there. You pull that lever and it should move the gears in there. We got some names there.
I hope y'all brought your pickaxes. Right this way, y'all. Haven't heard that.
All right, we made it. Start with this side. It's gonna be fun to ride this ride again over a year. This ride has, like I said, has new track, new ride vehicles, full seating, and it should have comfortable track. I heard by some people that the new track, the ride is now more smoother than last because of the new track. There you go. And it looks like the lights are more brighter than last time.
All the way down, everyone! Oh, yeah.
Moving up in the world. Here we go.
Look at that. Yeah, they add more lights to the lights and made them brighter. Yes! Thank you. Yeah, they added new stuff here. Yeah, they added the blueprints of the locomotive and yeah, they added more shinier lights up there. These are the new ride vehicles. So these are the brand new ride vehicles. They do look a little bigger. Looks like they touch them up well, and the new vehicles don't have the old yellow paint. It's now all gray, a brown color.
If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, next time remove them, because this here's the wildest ride.
Only for our train. While away, you can see the new track down here. So all this is brand new track. I think I can see our car coming. There it is. Alright, let's do it. Let's put these glasses in there. Thank you. Thank you.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's
The wildest ride in the wilderness. Thank you. Woo! Here we go. First ride on Big Thunder. God. Woo! Woo! Woohoo! there's the track of the railroad. It's currently down because. Oh, look at that, there's the gold. I'm rich! Thank you. Yeah, that's definitely all new. Wow. Hey, Lewis.
Hey,
how you
good to
doing?
see
You too.
Just make sure you touch base with your leaders. Make sure you guys have clubs. I know.
That was amazing. And that, everyone, it concludes the very first day of the return of Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, the wildest ride in the wilderness. Thank you all again for joining us on this video. If you're glad that Big Thunder is back, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and give this video, subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. So once again, this is Alex Crawford signing off. We'll see you real soon. Hopefully, you guys will be back here riding the wildest ride in the wilderness. Take care.